I'm gonna give away this $300,000 mountain of money to people in need.
Looking at my screen right here, this website give away free money with no refund. Have you ever wondered most of these people going around giving money to charities, helping organizations? That's what this website helps you do. Coming over to this guy right here, Mr. Beast, this famous YouTuber, on how he gives away free money supporting charity homes, and don't be surprised he's supported by this website. Looking over to this website, faith counts. As you can see over right here, do you know a person, group, or organization doing something good in their community? Because of faith, we want to see their story, and if you got to bring any of those people doing good in their community, and over right here, this honorable mention will be yours. Wait, that's not all. And over right here will be the person, group, or organization to win the grand prize. And if you come closer to my screen right here, fan favorite will be winning 10 grounds. In order to win this, you need to create a compiling video lasted for 2 minutes that showcase faith in action. And in order to submit your video, you need a YouTube account, but don't worry, I got you covered. I made a video on how to create a YouTube channel, and you hashtag these guys using faith count to share your video across the platform. And wait, that's not all. Barclays is going to give you $60,000 for sharing your stories, and if you're a small business owner, you stand a chance to share your experience as a small business owner in this current economy. You guys know how the economy is right now, and you also got to share your creativity with them for them to see your passion about your business and how do your business products or services impact others in the community. And if you got to answer this, you'll be rewarded with 20,000 grounds. Wait, that's not all. If you take a look at the past winners and get to hear their stories and be motivated to get this done, I will be playing this for a while to avoid copyright issue.
The grand prize winning to purchase our facility and secure our ability to provide services in our community.
That is absolutely terrific, and I know that was one of your goals as part of your entry.
And you get to register, you put in your first name, last name, company name, the date of your business, and you check this box right here. And here you got to fill in this, put in your words of business, not less than 500 words, and you check this box right here, you click on submit, boom. This website I showed you on how to get free money without working for them. They have limited time, they do this every year, 2023, 2022, and 2020. So if this video interests you, kindly hit the subscribe, like this video, and drop a hearted comment because JB does love you. Peace out.